Choosing the wrong pool filter could turn your summer dream into a murky nightmare. We've tested 5 systems that could save you hundreds in maintenance costs. Whether you're dealing with a modest backyard setup or a larger family pool, we'll help you discover which system delivers the cleanest water with the least hassle. Stick around until the end, because our #1 pick might surprise you with its innovative technology and exceptional value. Number 5. Bestway 58498E Flowclear. This is a system that caught our attention with its 1,500 gallons per hour capacity. This unit comes pre-assembled with a top flange clamp that allows 360-degree rotation, which initially seemed like a convenient feature for installation flexibility. The pump operates on 110 to 120 volts with a GFCI plug and is designed for above-ground pools ranging from 300 to 11,200 gallons, giving it fairly wide compatibility across different pool sizes. The ChemConnect dispenser is one of the standout features, providing an even distribution of chlorine throughout your pool to maintain proper chemical balance. We appreciated the pre-filter strainer that catches larger debris before it reaches the pump impeller, theoretically extending the system's lifespan. The durable filter tank resists corrosion, and it includes an adapter for pool valves with a 1.5-inch outer diameter, making it relatively straightforward to connect to most standard setups. However, after several weeks of testing, we noticed some limitations that kept this system from ranking higher. The 1500 GPH flow rate, while adequate for smaller pools, struggles with larger volumes, especially during peak swimming season when debris accumulation increases. The system requires approximately 20 pounds of 20 silica sand, which isn't included in the package, an additional expense that isn't immediately obvious. We found the sand replacement process somewhat messy and time-consuming compared to cartridge-based alternatives. What really held this system back was its performance consistency. During our testing period, we noticed the pump occasionally struggled to maintain optimal pressure, particularly after backwashing cycles. 4. Doheny's Pool Pro. The Doheny cartridge filter system presents itself as a mid-range option with some promising features. This system utilizes a 150 square foot cartridge element with extra durable, glass-reinforced corrosion-resistant copolymer material that's engineered to handle demanding applications. The precision-engineered extruded core is designed for maximum water flow, and the system includes a 1 HP pump that should theoretically handle mid-sized to large above-ground pools with ease. The extra-large strainer basket is genuinely helpful, capturing more debris before it reaches the filter element. We appreciated the inclusion of a pressure gauge that provides real-time monitoring of filter performance, allowing you to determine when cleaning or maintenance is necessary. The elevated filtered water collector and debris sump are thoughtful design elements that prevent heavy debris from falling back into the pool when you remove the cartridge for cleaning, a problem we've encountered with other systems. The coreless cartridge design simplifies the cleaning process considerably compared to traditional cartridge filters. You can easily remove it, hose it down, and reinstall it without complex disassembly. The 2-inch female plumbing connection can be reduced to 1.5 inches, offering installation flexibility for various pool configurations. The thermoplastic materials feel robust, and the non-woven fabric of the cartridge element is engineered to provide decent water clarity. Despite these positives, our testing revealed some frustrations that prevented this system from breaking into our top 3. The cartridge cleaning frequency became burdensome. Depending on pool usage and environmental factors, we found ourselves cleaning the cartridge every 5 to 7 days during heavy use periods. Three, Intex QX2100 Krystal Clear. The Intex sand filter pump with an integrated saltwater system, a combination that immediately sets it apart from conventional filter pumps. This system generates a pump flow rate of 1,600 gallons per hour and is ideal for above-ground pools up to 8,500 gallons. The all-natural sand filtration provides excellent water quality, and the 6-function control valve gives you comprehensive control over filter, backwash, rinse, recirculate, drain, and close operations. What makes this system particularly interesting is the saltwater generation capability. The integrated saltwater system produces soft, fresh, clean water without the harsh chemical feel of traditional chlorine treatments. During testing, we noticed our skin felt noticeably softer after swimming, and the typical chlorine smell was virtually eliminated. The built-in 24-hour timer adds significant convenience to maintenance routines. You can set it and forget it, knowing your pool is being filtered and sanitized automatically. The economical nature of this system really shines in long-term use. The sand requires replacement only every 5 years, dramatically reducing ongoing maintenance costs compared to cartridge systems that need frequent replacements. The ground fault circuit interrupter provides essential safety protection by automatically shutting off the pump if electrical current contacts water, giving us peace of mind during operation. The system's control panel features separate timers for the chlorinator and pump functions. This flexibility allows you to run the pump for extended filtration periods without over-chlorinating your pool, a common problem with less sophisticated systems. 2. SWIMLINE HYDROTOOLS. This is a variable speed pump system, a powerhouse designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools. This impressive system features a double-reinforced 19-inch molded tank capable of holding up to 175 pounds of sand, suitable for pools up to 19,000 gallons. The freshly designed 1 HP motor pumps an impressive 4,500 gallons per hour while maintaining remarkably quiet operation, something we genuinely appreciated during evening pool sessions. The dual-speed functionality is where this system truly excels. The high and low-speed options provide filtering flexibility that extends the filter's lifespan while significantly reducing electricity consumption and energy costs. During our testing, we ran calculations and found the low-speed setting handled overnight filtration perfectly while using approximately 60% less energy than running at full speed constantly. This efficiency translates directly to lower utility bills throughout the swimming season. The 7-way multi-port valve offers comprehensive filtration control with settings for filter, rinse, recirculate, winter, backwash, and waste. Each setting performed flawlessly in our tests, with smooth transitions and clear labeling that eliminated confusion. The sand holding capacity means this system maintains filtration efficiency longer between backwashing cycles compared to smaller tank designs. Sand replacement is required only every 5 years, making long-term maintenance minimal and cost-effective. Installation was surprisingly straightforward, with everything needed included right out of the box: the tank, pump, filter base, multi-port valve, power cord with 3-prong plug, and comprehensive instructions. The system is compliant with current DOE regulations, ensuring it meets energy efficiency standards while delivering powerful performance. 1. Hayward W3EC40C92S. This system represents the pinnacle of above-ground pool filtration technology, utilizing diatomaceous earth filtration that captures particles down to 2 microns, significantly finer than the 50-55 micron range of typical sand filters. The result is water clarity so exceptional that you can genuinely read text at the bottom of your pool. The Perflex technology is revolutionary in its approach to maintenance. Unlike sand filters that require 5-minute backwashing sessions, wasting hundreds of gallons of chemically treated water, this system uses a regeneration process. You simply turn off the pump, lift the bump handle up and down 7 times, and you've completed the equivalent of a full backwash cycle. No water waste, no hassle. This feature alone saves thousands of gallons of water annually while preserving your carefully balanced pool chemistry. The 20-square-foot filtration area paired with the 1 HP PowerFlow Matrix pump delivers performance-matched efficiency that maximizes filtration ability. During our extensive testing, this system consistently outperformed all competitors in water clarity, debris removal, and overall ease of use. Setup was straightforward, with the complete system including a secure base and hose kit for quick installation. The advanced Perflex technology extends cleaning cycles significantly compared to traditional DE filters, meaning less frequent maintenance interruptions to your swimming schedule. The energy efficiency of the PowerFlow Matrix pump impressed us considerably. Despite its power, it operates within modern energy standards while delivering superior circulation. The filter cartridges, while requiring DE powder additions, proved remarkably durable and easy to maintain. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.